Got a new pair of AirPods 4 but facing connection problems or glitches? Resetting them is usually the quickest solution. It's also great if you want to clear all data and start fresh for a smoother experience. In this video, I'll walk you through how to reset your AirPods with ANC with just a few steps. Let's dive in. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case to reset. But AirPods 4 has a touch response, so if you want to reset this model, tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, you can just go on and connect it to your preferred device. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more solutions like this. Thanks so much for watching.